Consideration is being given for the resumption of physical classes for students at Mannings School in Westmoreland who are sitting regional exams. Jamaica Maitland explains.
Principal of the Mannings High School in Westmoreland, Steve Gordon, says the board is expected to discuss the plans for the resumption of face-to-face classes for students sitting CSEC and CAPE exams next year.
Plans that will facilitate teaching and learning, particularly for the exam groups, for the examination groups, right? Sixth formers and fifth formers. That is what we worked out today, and then we're going to try and have it, the board's approval, and then we're going to move forward.
Mr. Gordon, who spoke to TVJ News following a preliminary assessment of the damage caused by Hurricane Melissa, says buildings recently repaired after Hurricane Beryl are damaged again.
The area that was fixed last, the Mumbai and the Prescott block, that area is definitely 10 times worse because we had partition in there that will section like 3 classrooms. Those partitions are gone, including the roof. Disappear. We could find pieces of the roof in Beryl. We don't even know where the roof is, where this is concerned, right? The auditorium space, again, 10 times worse.
The Manning School is over 280 years old. Mr. Gordon says the repair work could be equivalent to building a new Manning School.
The Beryl costs, I say, would somewhere within the over $20 million. If it's 10 times more, then we multiply that. And please don't quote me on this. I know I'm on national television, but obviously we're going to have to do a comprehensive assessment, and then from that, we leave that up to the Ministry of Education and to see what figures they will come up with. But I can tell you, this is quite extensive.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.